What's up, guys? Welcome back to another real life video. Today we're going to be making slime. It's just me today. So we got this red dye. Today we're going to be making the most slime you've ever seen. We got the brand new glue. So today the glue you guys are standing on is the old glue. It still has like that much glue left. But we're using this because we're making the most slime ever. And that's not enough glue. You know, maybe it is, and I'm just literally, this is not a, so I'm gonna have to get this. Wow, that worked. I wasn't expecting that to work. I mean, it's dumb. First, you know. I wasn't actually expecting that to work. So just flick off the little bits on the table and you clean it up after. Glue on my hands. I don't like getting gluey hands. You know, maybe you can make super glue slime. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to get it off your hands. I should make a video on that. Cool. Okay, that's fine. I wanted it to be perfect, but I guess not. So you're just gonna pour too much glue. Okay, I think I poured too much glue, so this bottle was up to here, now it's down to here. It's called the most slime ever. You know, you gotta make the most slime ever. You can't just make a little bitty batch. It's be a lot of slime. So then you're just gonna pour a bunch of red. Why, bro? Why are you doing this? And now you're gonna have clearish, reddish slime. Nice. Actually, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, as a matter of fact. Then you can add some activator. Oh wait, first you gotta stir it a little more. You have to stir it. Then you can add some activator. Bloop. Oh no, that's not enough. Beep, 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 beep. Then you stir some more. You gotta make your slime as slime before you start playing with it and activating it. It's some beautiful slime. I know last video you couldn't really see the bowl and most of the slime. So today you can see the bowl. It's kind of nice. Then you add some more activator. And then you store. And then you stir. I know, making slime is boring. But once you're done making the slime, it's not. Now I'm going to go get our other slimes. Other slimes. These are the slimes we made last video. If you didn't watch it, go watch it now. If you don't watch it, it's going to make me sad. Got this slime. This is my slime. Shouldn't have done that. Yeah. Gotta get it off. Kind of have to get it off. Yep, there. That's fine. I didn't get it all the way off. Doesn't matter. I still have a tiny bit on. Come on, you gotta go, bro. You gotta go. Yeah, who cares? That slime is red and this slime is purple. Actually, no, that slime is purple and this slime is... I don't know what slime that is. It's kind of like a blackish color. Then we got this slime. It's beautiful. It has a dino on the back. This container is very old, like 6 years old. And then we got this pale blue slime, and I hate it because it's sticky. You know what? While we're here, this slime has always needed a little bit of activity. And today is the day we're going to give it some. So then you're just going to grab it and play with it. Pre-activate it, please. So you don't have to go through this process of activating it again. Be smart. Work smart, not hard. There. Nice. Then we got this slime. This is our other blue slime. It's kind of hard to open. It's sticky, but it's not as sticky. So I like that slime too. When you're done playing with your slime, always put the lid back on, or else it'll dry out. Another tip. Then we got our gold slime, which we did not make yesterday. It's about 3 weeks old. It doesn't really stick at all. Literally, I'm putting it on the table. It does not stick. That's because it's 3 weeks old. Alright, now back to making this slime. So you're going to stir. And once all the activators kind of set it in, then you're going to start needing more. We're going to need a lot of activator for this, so just go ahead and waste a bunch of activator. This bottle is basically empty now, so better be happy with this video. We have wasted so much I'm not even able to stir it anymore. Literally, it's all in one ball. It's in one ball. It's an uno numeros ball. I want to knock this over so just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. This is the slime so far. It's pretty nice. I like it. Kind of hard to mix now. Maybe I'll add some more red. Oh wait, I forgot. We don't have any more red. Wait, I found some glass bits. Also, the red does not make red. It makes purple. I figured that out about 4 weeks ago. Oh, that's so cool. I keep making bubbles. Like I'm going like that and then I'm popping them. This is more of a slime texture, as you can see. I get every little bit of slime. Now we need more activate. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. I'm doing good, I hope I'm doing good. Because I'm doing this alone. It's my first time doing this alone. And mixing it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to mix it. It's thick. It is. Look at this. It's literally moving the bowl. This is what you have assistants for. Mixing. And then once it seems like it's pretty slimy and not so gluey, maybe add a little bit more of this in here. Yeah, that's probably good for the rest. Then we got activator on our spoon, so that's cool. We gotta get the activator in every little part of the slime, every single little crack of the slime, every single grain of slime. Every single crackle of glue. That's how much slime. It's a lot of crackles of glue in here, so I've got to get every single one. Once it's ready, nice and mixed, like this one is. You're gonna grab it and get all the stuff off your spoon so you don't mess anything up. You don't want to mess your beautiful table up, do you? I'm using our table. This table, it's a wooden table. We barely use it at all. So that's why I'm using this table. So I'm just going to set this and set it right here. Maybe does this work? I don't know if this works. I'm mad. And then you can keep grabbing it. And then you can finally find a way. I still can't find a way. And please hold. Okay, I figured out. So I got the I got all the slime off the mixing spoon, and I definitely need more activator in here. So I'm just gonna slap that in there, and then you just mix in your activator and get all the slime in the activator, all off the sides of the bowls. You're gonna get all the slime off the bowl. Hopefully this won't be tough slime. It'll be nice, smooth, flexible slime like it is right now. Whoa! My cat is here watching with me. He's confused. He's in the bush right there next to me. He's chilling. He's watching me make my wonderful slime. I feel like I need more activator. I don't know if I need more activator. And you just want to knead it together. As well as, yeah, he's leaving. He thinks it's boring. Yeah, I know, it's kind of boring, huh? Yeah, he left. He left us, guys. Sorry. No more cat showcasing. Ah, dude, this is gross. Gotta make some slime. Get the activator. Bro, sounds gross. Sounds kind of gross, huh? You know, this is not the only batch we're making today. Actually, it is. Yeah, it definitely is, because we already wasted about a quarter of our glue, so that's a big bottle of glue. Come here, buddy. Come on, just please, slime, please. It's kneading together pretty well. It's not actually slimifying. It's still gluified. As you can see, it's kind of sticking to my fingers. Actually, it's getting better. It's definitely getting better. And right now, I'm just trying to. Good thing I wore the. I shouldn't have wore this shirt. The shirt is kind of brand new. Be smart and wear old shirts that you don't really care about. Have parental supervision. That's what I advise. Yeah. I mean, it's not required, but I'm doing this without parental supervision. I'm doing pretty good. But if you're under 10, if you're under 8, then have parental supervision making this. It's a little bit messy, but it's not too messy, so. It's not that messy if you know what you're doing. It wasn't that messy for me because I know what I'm doing. Made slime many times before. It's a lot of slime though. It's a really cool slime though. It's like purple, yeah. And it is not tough slime. It's like it's more, yeah, it's slime now. No way, it's not sticking. All of a sudden it's not sticking anymore. Wow, that's kind of cool. Maybe I'll just add like a drop of activator in, like right in this hole right here. That's good. And also don't use too much activator. Just enough to where the fact that it's not sticky. if you use too much activator, it'll end up like being really gross and kind of goopy. And it won't stick to, and the slime won't be able to stick to each other. And the slime won't be able to stick to itself. So it'll basically be falling apart, and this would be falling apart right now. So you don't want to do that. Then it gets messy. A little too messy. So yeah, we're doing good right now. That was kind of bad. Been doing this for about 5 minutes now. I think I'm good. More time lapse. Oh, I've been doing this for about 6.5 minutes. More like 10 minutes. And I think we're good. Actually, more like 5 minutes altogether. I think we need like a little tiny bit more activator. Okay. Now we have some slime. This should be turning into slime very soon. So, and if when you're putting in the activator and it's kind of like wet, it'll dry out. It will turn back into slime, so don't worry about that. You're not doing anything wrong if that happens. That happens to all slime. So our slime is doing pretty good. I'm just trying to get it off my hands now, because no one wants slimy hands. Yeah. So check out the last video we made with slime. And if you want to see more slime in the future, subscribe and like the video. So, yeah. Alright, so made some slime, made the world's biggest slime. So, we accomplished what we need to accomplish. So, see you guys next time. Peace, guys. Bye-bye.